This is my natural hair and it is still growing nicely. Coming up in today's video, I talk to you about the products that I use on my natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. Let's get in today's video. Welcome and welcome back to Shev, where we'll talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So yes, you heard that right. I'll be talking to you about the products that I use on a consistent basis in order to grow my natural hair out. And I know many of you asked me about what products I'm using, so I'm going to talk to you today in detail about the products that I use. The very first product that I use is S-Curl. I talk about S-Curl on my channel quite a lot. S-Curl is a non-drip leave-in conditioner that was used traditionally for Jerry curls hair, but I actually use it on my type 4 natural hair very successfully. It's very cheap and it is watery consistency, and I will show you in the video here how I use it on my natural hair. I use it when I'm wearing mini braids, mini twists, or my hair is loose, but it is my main moisturizer. And the reason why I love S-Curl on my natural hair is because it's got glycerin, and my particular hair type loves glycerin. So that is the first product that I use on my natural hair journey, is S-Curl. S-Curl is easily available in any of your normal beauty supply stores, and I recommend it, as you can actually just try it and see if it is right for your hair texture, because once again, it is not for everyone. The next hair product that I use on a consistent basis is my Hello Hydration conditioner. And I say conditioner emphasizing on that point because it was actually recently that I've started to use the shampoo. The conditioner has been part of my regimen for at least 10 years and I will never go back. It's the best conditioner that I can use on my natural hair. So you're asking me what conditioner should I use on my natural hair? I will always say try Herbal essences. The fantastic thing about it is that it's really cheap and it's available from most natural hair care shops. It's also available from most standard hair care shops, including Boots and Superdrug Hair in the UK. So it's really accessible and easily available, and it is fantastic for our hair type. Now, once again, if you are watching Hello Hydration, I am open to a sponsorship because I absolutely love your hair product. You can use this in such a variety of ways. I use it as a normal conditioner. You can of course use it for co-washing your hair. You can use it as a deep conditioner by leaving it on, and you can also use it as a leave-in. It is a fantastic hair growth product. So my conditioner, my Hello Hydration and my S-Curls have been in my natural hair care regimen forever. The third product that I use in my natural hair is the shampoo, and this has been a recent discovery for me because I did not really like the way it made my hair feel, but I feel when my hair needs a lot of moisturizing in there, it is a moisturizing shampoo, so I pair that along with my Hello Hydration conditioner to get the best results. And another addition to my hair care regimen is the hair growth mask. Hello Hydration is such a fantastic hair care line for our hair type that really combining those three products will give you great results on your natural hair. So the Hello Hydration conditioner, shampoo, and now the hair mask is three things. I use the hair mask as a mask, and I also use it as my leave-in and leave-in on my children's hair. So it's also fantastic for you if you have young children's hair to take care of, and you get great results, great conditioning from those products. The next thing that's always in my hair care regimen is my grease. I have my Pure Lean Jamaican grease, and I also got all my Blue Magic and any grease I can find, including Vaseline. I use grease to seal my hair, and I love the way that grease makes my hair feel after it's done. It's always been in my regimen. I was never one of those naturals that was against grease because it's always played a fantastic role in my hair care regimen and on my product list. You can use any standard grease. My particular recommendation is the Pure Lean because that's just always been part of my regimen. It's black, it's castor oil, and I'll show you a picture of it here. If you can get your hands on it, if you're in Jamaica, fantastic. If you can't, it is available to buy here in the UK, so you can try to purchase it from there. I've talked about virgin hair fertilizer so much on my hair care channel in 2022 that it's got its own playlist. I use virgin hair fertilizer on my hair to grow it. It is really cheap and it is good for what it does, particularly if, like me, you have dandruff prone scalp. So I use sulfurate on my scalp as well as the virgin hair fertilizer. So that's two of my main growth aids. Virgin hair fertilizer, I use it when I'm on challenges, particularly as I always try to have a hair growth aid as part of my challenges. So you can check that out. I've also got an Amazon store, so you can check out in my Amazon store if you're ever looking for any of the products that I recommend here in my videos. I'd be very grateful for your support. I also have a Patreon account So if you love to work for me in another way, hair coaching, etc., I'm happy to work with you for a fee. And also you can just subscribe to my Patreon for lots of different sort of content to what is here on YouTube. You could also join my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is growing nicely and I'd love to hear from you. Remember, I've never had long hair before, and so whatever I learn about growing natural hair, I pop them here on the channel to help ladies like yourself that's looking for ways to grow your natural hair. Also, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know that when I post. Also leave me a comment down below in the comment section. I would really love to hear from all of you. The next product that's a staple in my natural hair regimen is DIYs, and say product because I make my own hair growth products using a combination of aloe vera, castor oil, whatever I can get my hands on. And so I have a DIY playlist. You can also go and check that out. DIY is important for me because it also means I'm taking real control of growing my natural hair. I know every ingredient that is in whatever product I make, be it a leave-in, be it a conditioner, be it a shampoo. I am in control of what I put on my hair, and so I love DIYs for that reason. So another staple of my regimen is my use of DIY. I have my DIY hair growth oil, which I have been talking about for so long but still has not been launched. But there's many more products in the pipeline. So I also use my own products to grow my natural hair long. Another staple in my regimen is cheap supermarket shampoos and conditioners, and I've talked about this on my channel, stating that if you would really love to get your hair clean for not a lot of money and condition, your good old supermarket shampoo and conditioner is fantastic for this, and it will grow your natural hair. And I've shown them on my channel. So if you don't have very much money, you can start by really just washing and conditioning your hair and sealing it with good old grease, and you can get most grease from Poundland. And so taking care of your natural hair is really quite cheap, and never let that be a barrier for stopping you from growing your natural hair. And so another staple in my natural hair regimen is my Hello Hydration Clean Shampoo. And this one has barely made the list, but it's such a great addition to my regimen. If you know anything about my channel, you know that I've tried this product several times in order to help me to grow my natural hair, but it wasn't really working out. Now, if I ever need to cleanse or clarify my hair, that is what I reach for. And there you have, not very many products. I am a recovering product junkie, and so I'm trying to get rid of any other products that you might see me feature on my channel, or if they are gifted. But for the most part, those are the products that I've used to grow my natural hair. Remember, a particular product cannot grow your natural hair. You grow your natural hair by being consistent, by staying on your routine and your regimen, and I've talked about that in plenty of videos here. So make sure that your main concern is to grow your natural hair, keeping it in a long-term protective style, washing it and styling it as needed, and you will see great results. I want to say thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.